Hey ho.
Room tour.
This is our post-cruise.
Yeah.
Pre-nap. Somebody's crabby. Somebody needs a nap. We are checked in early though. What do we have here? We have closet, safe, more closet, iron and ironing board. That's where the hair blower's hidden. There's coffee, tea, and a fridge, some water. What's the bathroom look like? I'm seeing it for the first time too. We got a desk with drawers, our TV, another table, fun couch, pool view. There's some Fort Lauderdale for you. We got plugs and stuff on both sides of the bed, which is always helpful. And now it's time for a nap.